Hi, I'm Joe Barton from RAMP, the Dentist Advertising Agency, with your Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today I want to talk about magazines. If you plan on buying magazine space on your own, be very careful. The vast majority of magazines try to sell their magazine based off of readership. Readership is a mythical number. What happens is a third-party auditing bureau comes up with a number of how many different people read each individual magazine that's circulated. Circulation is what you want to focus on. So I've worked with a national magazine that says that their readership was 11 times. That means each magazine that they circulated was read by 11 different people. So if their circulation was 100,000, they're saying their readership was 1.1 million, which is a little difficult to fathom. To learn more about RAMP, give me a call at 1-800-620-RAMP, R-A-M-P, or go to rampresults.com.